Hello friends, I'm Amitesh at SQL. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use case expression in SQL statement. So let's start. Case statement evaluate multiple expressions and return one output where the condition satisfies. Case expression syntax is given as below. The simple case expression compare the input to different expressions in when clause, and where the expression matches, the output is returned. If input expression doesn't match with any expression given in when clause, then else expression is evaluated, and if else is not provided, then in this case expression results null. In the case statement, else statement is optional and it does not compare any expressions but simply returns the results. It works in only that condition where all when does not matches the given expression. Now let's see an example. For this example, I will use orders table. This is one of my sample table. It is quite small with 12 rows only. You can see this order table contains order ID, customer name, order status, order date, ship date, salesperson ID and sales amount. Now order status has a numerical value from 1 to 4. I want to evaluate the order status based on its numerical value to a meaningful value. How would I do this? We can do this transformation using case statement. Let me show you. Select asterisk means all column. I want to produce all column, and then along with all columns I would add another column using case statement in the output, which would evaluate the order status. So input as a order status. When order status is 1, then order is pending. When order status value is 2, then processing. When it is 3, then shipped, and when it is 4, then change it to delivered. Else, if no case matches, then print if status unknown, and then end this case statement from orders. As you can see in this table, we have order status 1, 2, 4, 3 and null also. Order status is not given. So what I am trying to say in this case statement, that my input is order status column, and in this order status column, if value 1 is found, then represent it as a pending. In case of 2, represent it processing, 3 shipped, 4 delivered, and if none of these values found, then status should be shown as status unknown. So I will run this query. So here a new column you can see, but the column name is not given. I can provide a better name to this calculated column. Status value. Let's say order status value. Run it again. Now the column name is also a bit meaningful. Now you can see where the order status is 1, the order status value is evaluated as pending. In case of 2, it is processing, 4 delivered, 3 is shipped, and where no value from 1 to 4 is found, then it is reflecting as status unknown. So this is a simple example of case statement. Now let me show you one case where else statement is not given in case. Then what will happen? Let me remove this else, and we have now case for order status column, where we are evaluating 4 values 1, 2, 3, 4, but if no cases matches and neither the else is provided in the case statement, then how this will work? Well, you can see that when no value is found for this case, then case return null. It is not that because of this null it is producing null. This is because this null statement is not being handled in this case statement, and that is why it simply evaluates null. Let me show you more clearly. Let's say I update orders table for this null value, where status is null. Be careful that we do not compare null with equals to value. We compare using is keyword. So we will update order status is equals to 5, where order status is null. That means this row. So this row we will update with 5. One row affected. Let's see how order table looks like. Now you can see the order status for order ID 12 is 5 now. Again, if we run this query where we are handling only 1, 2, 3 and 4 status and not 5, then how this 5 will be evaluated using the case statement. Execute, and again you will see it is null. So it is clearly shows that if certain condition is not being handled in the case, then it produces null. Otherwise, for rest of other cases it is evaluating perfectly fine. So this is all about case statement. I hope this tutorial has added some value to your knowledge. If this is so, please like this video and subscribe my channel. I'll come soon with the interesting and learning video. Till then, take care. Thank you.